In this video, I will show you how to remove your phone number from Facebook. Removing your phone number can help protect your privacy. It is a simple process that you can do in just a few steps. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down a bit until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. From here, tap on Settings. At the very top of this page, you'll notice an option called Accounts Center. Tap on it to proceed. In the Accounts Center, look for Personal Details and select it. Now, tap on Contact Info. Locate and select the phone number that you wish to delete from your Facebook account. Once selected, you'll see an option that says Delete Number. Tap on it. Upon tapping Delete Number, a pop-up message will appear. It's important to note that by deleting this number, you will no longer be able to use it for logging in, resetting passwords, or receiving notifications related to your account. If you're sure about removing this number, tap Delete. Next up is Security Verification. You will receive a verification code sent to the email address associated with your Facebook account. Check your inbox for that code. Once you've received it, type in that code into the designated text box and then tap Continue. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your phone number from your Facebook account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.